Gonna be in the way here. I'm gonna put it here. Okay. Okay. See how that looks. Not bad. Not bad at all. Leave that there. Let's check YouTube. And Twitch. Hey. What resolution? 1080p, sweet. That's pretty good. I feel like my camera is a bit big. What resolution? 1080p, sweet. Okay. That's pretty good. What about Twitch? Twitch is black screen. Why is that? Why is Twitch a black screen? Offline, apparently, even though it says live. That's weird. That's weird. Is there a way to check why? Why offline? What the hell? Tony Montana asks, you coding at 2 AM? It's actually 5:30 here in Australia, so no, but where are you from? I guess somewhere on the other side of the world. Australia's pretty unique on this side of the globe. Why doesn't my Twitch stream work? This is silly. I don't know how to fix this. Maybe I can turn it off and on here. Off. On. Oh, sending data. See if that fixes it. Remove branding. Oh. That's okay, we'll leave it there. I didn't even notice that. Is that on YouTube? Okay, we'll leave it there. It isn't. It's not even there. YouTube? What? it isn't. It's not even there. It's a bluff. What? It's a bluff. Come on, surely. Wait, I have a VOD for it, but it's all black screen. What the hell? Come on, surely. Why is Twitch not playing nice? I have a VOD for it, but it's all black screen. What the hell? This makes no sense. Why is Twitch not playing nice? Oh no, it's not a black screen. What? Alright, I'm gonna check Twitch on my phone. Maybe it's just my computer that's messed up. What? Alright, I'm gonna check Twitch on my phone. Maybe it's just my computer that's messed up. Here we go. No, it's a black screen on my phone as well. That's so annoying. Screen on my phone as well. Why? That's so annoying. I don't know, whatever. I guess we'll just be on YouTube and TikTok. That's fine, we can deal with that. Alright, so I have my game here, Berry Game, alpha.berrygame.com. That's what I'll be working on today. If you want to play what we're up to so far, you can go to this URL, alpha.berrygame. It's trying to be like an MMO similar to RuneScape. Can't type. And I'm trying to make combat. I've been trying to do this for a few months. Made some progress. You can see there's an attack animation. I have a health bar. but I actually need to do some more things like actually dealing damage and maintaining the health amount in the database, updating that with when damage is occurred, etc. So that's what I'll be focusing on today. So I'm just going to go ahead and run this locally. Can we see this? Yep. In my terminal on VS Code, I'll cd into the front end folder and yarn dev. Then I'll make a new window, cd into the back end and serverless offline, and see if we can get this running locally. Oh, actually I need to do this in the opposite order, because I need port 3000 to be taken by the back end, and the front end doesn't really need to be on a particular port. So we'll run the back end first, and it should be on port 3000. Great. And now we'll run the front end, and that'll give me 3003. Now let's see if the local works. So I got one here. I'll make a new tab, and yep, we can see each other. I can follow, and if I start walking, that one should follow. Yep. Bit slow, but we'll worry about that later. Okay, so I want to check when I start attacking. This method gets called in the server, send update. And make this a bit bigger. I don't know if I will focus on the code. Send update. Remove all of these, and I want to see the actual body of this message, body as JSON. So I'm just going to log, if attacking player damage equals 1, damage given, damage, reduce the health in database. So I've already made some progress here. Let me log this out, see if this works. I'm not sure if I need to update the database. I mean, restart the server. I think I do. To get those logs, let's do that. Oh, my face is in the way. Move. Okay, great. Okay, so now let's restart these front ends, and I will attack, and I hope to see, yep, here. I'm just going to stop this so I can read it. The message here, message, the position, the rest position, the rotation is walking the attacking player, and the damage given. Excellent. So now I want to interact with the database to actually apply this damage to this player's health. And I can do that similar to... Hello?
What are you doing?
Streaming?
To?
Twitch, YouTube, and TikTok. This is cousin Sam, everyone. He's not in the video, he's a bit camera shy. But we're coding the combat for my MMO.
Do you want me to
Pair program? Yeah.
I'll just watch what you do and tell you.
You can bring the chair in from the other room if you want.
From this room?
Yeah, this room.
The music.
Yeah. The music room. Alright, so DynamoDB. I don't think I ever do an update query. We can do put. DynamoDB.js update row. How do we do that? We should probably ask ChatGPT. It'll give me a nicer answer.
That's pretty cool. So you stream 2/3 of the monitor, and then you have.
Well, this is a new setup. I used to stream TikTok in vertical mode, but now I'm doing TikTok in horizontal as well. So I used to only stream like one thing, but now I'm streaming like
people,
exactly.
They can just turn their phones to the side.
Yeah, I think previously you couldn't, but now you can on TikTok, so it's not an issue. All right. .client.update. So where was that damage? Here. I'm gonna split this screen and make a helper method here. Wait, what is this? I wonder if the helper method can be outside this module. I'm not sure. Deal damage. It will take in the connection ID and the damage to deliver. Wait, what? How do you do this? Oh yeah. Let me just double check. Actually, might just put it at the top here, just to make sure that it's there. And now, can you guys see that? And now we do this .client.update. So we have the same table. It's a single table thing, so the params would be similar. Same table. The item, however, let's have a look. I'm gonna sign into my console, AWS console here on the side, and see what the row looks like. Go into DynamoDB, then you go tables. Here's my berry game table, explore items, and each of these rows is, can I make this? Yeah, nice. A user connection. You can see we already have health here. PK is partition key and SK is sort key, so we need to select the right user based on the PK and SK. So SK will just be connection hashtag plus the connection ID of the receiving player. And PK will just be chat room ID. Where is that defined? Here. UUID v1. Oh, I'm in a completely different thing here. Hold on, I'm put this in the wrong spot. Where did I put it? I really need to refactor this file. It's gotten a bit wonky. Okay. Here. Deal damage. No, I need to get this chat room ID somehow. I don't think I have access to it. Oh, yep, it's in. Okay, so I'll pass that in the function as well. Chat room ID. Okay. And oh, in order to decrease the health, I'd actually need to know what number. Let me ask ChatGPT. Is it possible to reduce a value in DynamoDB row by 1 without querying for the value first? It is. Update expression, set attribute to. Yeah, excellent. That's what I want. Item. Wait, key. And then update. DynamoDB update. Where is their docs? Update item. Table, key. Expression. Okay, so I think I need to change this to key, pksk. And then update expression, set health equal to health minus val. And then how do I set val? Did ChatGPT say? Yes. Expression attribute values, val equals damage. Sick. And then DynamoDB.update row params function e data if e console.error. I'm just gonna copy this. Unable to update. Else. I don't need that. Sick. All right, let's see if I can call this method. Deal damage. Attacking player damage. Body as JSON.chat .message.chat room ID, right? Because we had that body.message. Just like how we're getting attacking player. No, that's in. Oh, it's not in the message. Alright. Good thing I checked. So it should just be in the root. No idea if this will work. Let's give it a go. Attack. Okay, I'm just gonna stop these and check the database. There was no errors, so that's good. Any of these people missing health? Yes, look at this guy. 24 health. Sick, that was pretty easy. Now let's do, actually I'll commit this. It's good to remember to commit code every time you make a significant change. So I made this deal damage function and I call it when the damage is dealt. Deal damage in backend. Sweet. Now let's show that in the front end. So when this post a connection, we need to see where that, I'm pretty sure that's in API TSX. WebSocket message received. Here. Just gonna log this out here. Message object. And this is where we need to intercept it, so. Wait, did I stop the server? No, I didn't. Great. Got 2 clients here. Gonna open up, actually I'll put them on 2 different windows. Donnie has asked, how long did you start coding? I've been coding since I was like in primary school, trying to make Flash games. I think that'll be, I don't know man, like at least 18 years ago. So quite a long time. Open up the console on both these accounts. See, we're already getting message objects when I move, but attacking player is null. If I attack, I'm just gonna stop attacking. These were, yep, attacking player, damage given, 6. So I need to intercept this damage given object and render some damage given. I want to kind of do it like how Apex and some MMOs do it, where you just see the number next to the player of the amount of damage that they have taken. I think that's really cool UI. So let's do that. How do I do that? Okay, so this goes into update user position, set user position. This is on the store. So that's pretty much how we do everything that's affected globally, is through our store.js, which has all of our global variables. That way when something gets updated in one position, it can update the whole game. Yeah, so let's do that. In which store would it be, or will we have to create a new store? Use user state, WebSocket, store, chat store, user input. Where do I render other users? Render other user, render other users, render online users? Here. I feel like it would be above this. User state store, user positions. Seems like user state store seems like it could be good. And then for each user position, okay, I'm thinking I might, if I put it in this array where all the user positions are stored, if I also have the amount of damage that they're taking, it could save me having to repeat myself. Yeah, new data. It might already be getting stored there. If I go here, update, set user positions, new data. Is that self-destroy time? Oh, it's already probably in there, which is great. So render other user, I can check here if damage given dot receiving player is the same connection ID as the player key. Let's do that. Player key. Yeah, player key equals. Wait, no. First, we need to check if. Dude, I need to refactor this. I'm gonna make a const called current player, and we're gonna set that to this, because I shouldn't be having to repeat myself so many times calling this user positions.player key. I can just call that current player every time. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. And now I can go current player dot damage given. Maybe current player is a bad word. Current player data. Current player data. Oh shit, sorry. Current player is fine. If current player dot damage given and current player dot damage given dot receiving player equals player key, and I'm just gonna put a string here. Hit. Will that work? Yeah. Let's see if that works. Refresh. Alright, so now if I attack him, I'm hoping to see a text that says hit on at least one of these screens, and I can't. Let me stop that for a sec. Let me do a console log, because there's a possibility that we just can't see it. Is that okay? Looks like it's not okay. I'll put it here. I'll make it an if as well. If that, do that. Okay. Try number 3. What is it meant to say? Ye. Okay, that's not working. Let me remove this other console log so it's easier to read in the console. Where was it? 62. Okay. So let's log out these variables that we're checking. My computer seems to be lagging.
Show you on the internet your large language model.
It's not even mine yet. But yeah, that would be cool content if it was unique, which it isn't yet, but one day. Alright.
I think I could kick out of it.
Yeah, probably. Oh,
This dude's got ChatGPT running on his computer, no internet.
insane. It's actually the alpaca. What? Oh shit, did my server break?
Hee.
Let's have a look. Yes. Lambda timeout. No. think I might have overloaded my server, so try to restart it. If that doesn't work, we'll might have to do something else while the timeout resets. It's still broke. Yeah. That's sad. Alright, we're gonna have to wait 5 minutes. Let's do type racer. What do you reckon I'll get?
Just click on practice yourself, otherwise you have to wait heaps. I think you can get like 80.
Alright.
Well, yeah, you can't. You have to fix your mistakes.
That's bullshit. Can't I just race through it?
That's it. You have to fix it.
Alright, let's just practice. Fuck. This is bullshit, bro. I don't like this.
It's like the most legit type race type thing online.
No, it's bullshit. I like to make mistakes. Bullshit. Ah!
It's not bad. 60.
60.
59.
Fuck.
Do Wordle.
Yeah.
Do Wordle after this. Dude, when are you gonna be done streaming? I wanna play Elden Ring.
93.
That's great.
Maybe I don't know. I normally stream for an hour, so like 30 minutes.
Anyone in the chat?
Nah. Well, one. Oh,
Who's that?
Safi Bernard Turtle. Oh, he's talking about my typing speed. Yeah, I'm quite slow. Or maybe you're talking about words that rhyme with Wordle. Haha. Alright. S T R A P. Enter.
Hey.
Nice. We got one word, one letter. Alright.
Just do INDOL.
No.
That's a good word. It has all the letters you want.
You wanna attempt to get it.
From R?
Yeah. R and A. That's good. We can get it. It could be. It could be sh. It could be ch.
It could be like
Chur.
no. A is probably in the second position.
Car.
Yeah, it could be car. But C is like such a low use not letter.
Yeah. All right.
N's a good letter.
Nar.
Or L. Or D.
Lar.
Large. It could be large.
Oh yeah, large.
Could be large.
Could be large.
Oh.
Oh, that's good. A was right as the second letter. That's nice. Good job.
Yeah, but we only got.
Well, we eliminate. Yeah, but yeah.
Actually, 4. I guess
Yeah.
we got no A's in the right
Yeah,
spot.
and that's a huge thing. Barge. Barrio.
Ah. Spider web on my jumper. Could be
Karen. Chat, what do you think? Come on, help me out.
Safi, any ideas, man? Or woman?
Safi, come on. Like,
any ideas?
I really want to put C as the first one.
Could be C, yeah.
I reckon car is a good start because cars go fast, you know. Card. No S. Cardi.
Could be
Karen.
I think there's just too many options. You need to just eliminate some letters, I reckon.
Alright, we'll do N. No.
I reckon you just try to use 5 letters you haven't used so far, and then you'll get it in the 4th.
So you reckon just take a L?
Yeah, I reckon don't even have A and R in it. Just like other letters, like O and U or some shit.
Alright.
O and I.
It's
like COIN. It's like coin is a word, but that's like a kind of crappy word.
Camille. But oh, you can't even do fake words.
Yeah, of course not.
I thought you could. Boink.
There's no C in that. K's a bad letter too. It's not very
Boink.
Not very common. Any words that, nah. What if we do CH?
Dark.
Start with CH, I reckon.
Ch.
And let's try to get like N in there. Yeah. If no G, that would have been okay.
Chime.
Nah, but there's also like CHING might be a word. Ching might be a word. I think we should. Oh, but G is. We've already used G.
China. Safi says China. We gotta respect the chat here.
Okay, go for it. That's pretty good. We got C and H now.
Nice.
But they're not even in those locations.
That's fine. They're probably in the last. It's probably
Has to be,
Karch. Karch, Barch, Zarch, Darch, Yarch, March.
March.
Boom!
Oh, shit.
Thanks, Safi.
China.
If it wasn't for you, we would be here for at least 10 more seconds. Yes? Thanks. Clap emoji. Alright, let's see if this server will work now. Refresh. No, still no. Dude, that's not good. I feel like this could be an issue later down the line. I'm not even getting like an error this time. Did I make any changes to the backend I didn't want? Just for sanity, I'm gonna stash this and see if. Oh my god, that fixed it. Okay, so it was a front end issue? The frick? Okay, good thing I checked. Something about my front end is off. I'm gonna close this and re-enable that stash and see what we did wrong. Console log. Oh, maybe this. Let's see. I doubt that would be it. Yeah, that's not it. Alright, let's just comment some shit out here. Maybe it was my renaming of. I don't think that would be it either. Comment out that console log. Oh, that fixed it. Alright, what if I uncomment this first console log? Okay, that is clearly the issue here. Why is that an issue? What if we just want damage given? Oh, could be. Oh, okay. Maybe because of this. Yeah. It's weird how it didn't give an error, but that's probably it. Okay, nice. Undefined. What if I attack? Will it be defined? Yes, it is defined. Great. Oh, we got a comment from Nami. Hi, I wouldn't have a clue what you on about. Well, I appreciate the comments, Nami. It's okay. This content isn't for everyone. Coding Wizard says creating bugs then trying to fix it. Yep, that is the coding life. Programmer's life, exactly.
So you guys all have your phones sideways right now? Like you're on TikTok?
Yeah, you guys, are you watching this in horizontal mode? I'd assume so. It'd be pretty hard to understand anything at all in vertical.
Turn your phone sideways.
Alright, will I get the console log of ye? No console logs. What is that? Why is that? Alright, let's...
Yeah, will there be wood cutting in this game?
I was thinking about wood cutting.
You have a tree.
There's harvesting, which is very similar to wood cutting, like tree harvesting.
Interesting.
Whoa, none of these add up. What about here? What if there's
go take a shower.
Alright, what if there's a third person? Will they add up? No. So the player receiving the damage. This is weird. Player receiving the damage is never the right one. I feel like I need to like log my own ID so I know what's going on. Let me clear this database. I feel like we got a lot of connection IDs here that we don't need. Okay. And current player. User connection ID, where does this come from? Oh, SIG, we store that. That's excellent. I need to know what this is. I need to know what this is so I can see. Here. My connection. My CID. And then I'll copy this. And paste it here. Okay, so now when I refresh, it should tell me my connection ID. Excellent. Now let's do that test again where I attack and see what the two connection IDs are and why none of them is the right one. Here we go. Attack. Mine ends with C3. C3 is being attacked. So this player should be rendering it, right? For some reason the first one is always undefined here. Why is that? What is the first one again? Damage given receiving player. Damage given receiving player. Because I'm never sending it back to the player that's actually doing it or something. This is a tough cookie for other connections. Yeah, that makes sense. Now I have the question of I think I just have to Just make it myself or something. Send that message myself. Just watch it. Set user position, new data. User position. Set user position, new data gets added to damn, this is a bit confusing for me. But we're so close. I feel like it should work at least for the third person. So I'm gonna open a third window. Let's see how that goes. Matteo, welcome. Alright. Third window. Surely the third person will experience... Oh my god, I can't walk. Experience the damage received. This guy. Alright, stop. It's always the same numbers. I think I've misunderstood how this is meant to work. And I might have to tackle it at another time to get a proper analysis of this render online. So every time we get a new message, oops, send update, deal damage, we post the connections from the sender. The sender advertises their new position and if they're attacking a player. I need to write this down. Where do I write this? In the README. Where is this read? Is this the? Okay. Why can't I edit this? I think my computer is struggling. Combat progress. We've done backend damage taken. Check. Backend. Currently working on front end show damage ticks. Okay. Try to utilize the I'm gonna close this so it doesn't destroy my server. Try to utilize the update position method to also broadcast damage given. Did not seem to work and might need to make a separate method. Okay, I think that's where we're gonna leave it right now, and we'll try to progress this on the next stream. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. Hope you learned something or got some entertainment out of it, and I'll catch you next time.